So here's how to switch Yahoo new layout back to the old classic one. First, you gotta look for the settings. Click settings here. Click more settings. In some newer versions, you might find it here on the left bar at the bottom. Three dots. You click on it to open the settings, and it will basically open this same page right here. You go to switch to basic mail, click on it, and then confirm switch to basic mail. It'll take a few seconds and it will take you back to the classic layout or classic theme of Yahoo. Now, if you want to switch back to the new one, you simply click here at the top left, switch to the standard version of Yahoo. Click on it, wait a few seconds, and it will take you to the new layout. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.